Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can file a report or file a complaint on DHL. So I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step procedure on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So basically, there are different methods of filing a complaint or reporting. So the first method is you can contact a customer service directly by a telephone number, or so all you need to do is just type in the customer care number and then file a complaint regarding it. Once you've done that, they'll look into your matter. Now, other thing what you can do is you can type in a report. For that, you need to open up your web browser and then on the search box type in www.dhl.com customer service/contact. On this interface, you'll be able to see all of the information. In order to submit a report, click on make complaint, which is right at the bottom. As you'll be asked to enter in your details, so you need to provide the number of the transport or the bill of lading. So you need to enter in the number and then click on continue. And further on, you'll be asked in details about the issue. Once you've done that, you have successfully submitted the report, and within 24 hours, you'll be notified about the issue. In this way, you can submit a report or complaint on DHL. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.